Hi, I'm Richie from Gig Buddies. I'm here to tell you about an exciting new job we have. With our Gig Buddies team in North Wales, we are looking for a person with a learning disability to be our new ambassador in North Wales. The ambassador's job is to talk to people about Gig Buddies. This includes talking to groups, speaking to the media, making videos for social media, and helping on our stores at our events. The ambassador will also help our Gig Buddies in North Wales to plan their social events. The job is for 5 hours a week. The pay is £13.86 an hour. The job is funded until 30th of June 2028. If you're interested in the job, we can send you an easy read application pack. For more information about the job, please phone 029 2068 1160 or email inquiries@idw.org.uk. We want to say thank you to the National Lottery Community Fund for funding our Gig Buddies project in North Wales.